Hey there, have you ever been watching Saturday morning cartoons and thought to yourself, how do I replace a transformer in an Alvarado Full Height Turnstile? Well, there's more than meets the eye, and today we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Alvarado Full Height video, please click the link in the description. Today we're going to show you how to change the transformer in your Alvarado Full Height Turnstile. As always, we will need to turn off the power to our turnstile, but for this instance, we will need to turn off the power coming from the facility since we will be changing the transformer. Let's label all of our wires and disconnect them from our old transformer. Remove the mounting hardware from the transformer to remove the transformer and the switch assembly together. They'll also have to be removed from the terminal block J4. And the whole assembly can come out in one piece. Once the assembly is out, you will need to open the switch box and disconnect it from the old transformer and transfer everything over to the new transformer. With the old transformer uninstalled,
it's time to roll out
a new transformer. Transfer everything over to the new transformer. Reinstall the assembly in the turnstile and reconnect the wires as they were with the old transformer. It's a good idea to double check all your wiring before turning any power back on. Once everything is connected and verified to be connected properly, we are ready to power on and test. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys. See you next time.